Kromjai Namaskar, Sastrikal, Salam Alaikum, it's me Ham Singh. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video, it is going to be a watercolor landscape painting. But this watercolor landscape painting, it is going to be very simpler one. It is especially made for the beginners. So all the beginners, please try to watch this video till the end and please have a practice like I do. So here I'm just going to use wet on wet technique, but remember that the material which I use here, especially the paper which I use here, that is not much a good quality paper. I just have this what do you say, this Camlin sketch book or drawing book. So the paper is very thin here. I use this. And then if you talk about the watercolor, I use a watercolor. This is artist watercolor. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, I'm just making here a rough sketch with HB pencil, and over here I'm just going to apply the colors. On the side here, on a container, I put a water, and on the other side here are the watercolor, and here I fix a paper, and then I'm going to put all those required color on my mixing palette. So first I put here there is Persian blue, and then yellow ochre, and this one is Viridian Hui, and this is a sap green, and this is yellow ochre, and this is burnt sienna, or you can say brown. First of all, I'm just going to apply Persian blue. Before that, I'm applying over here water and making it wet. Now I will be starting with a Persian blue. I'll be starting from the sky portion, the background.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
So here I'm dipping the brush, making it wet, and then cleaning all those color, and I'm just going to take out the excess water using a piece of cloth. Then I will just go on applying a stroke over the background, so that little bit a lighter blue tone I can get it.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
After first layering of the color, it looks something like this. So after that, I'll just apply now again the second coating or second layering with the color once more again.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to